It ain't safe right here, but she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe from here, but she doesn't. What's up, everybody? So, back at it again with another art piece, little DIY. Just like everything else I do in this house, I lead on Pinterest. I got some inspiration. Saw people's techniques and stuff like that. Really, this painting is with a canvas. I got this a long time ago from like Home Goods or something, but it was like blue originally, and I painted over it, didn't like it, and I was like, okay, so what am I gonna do now? So here we go. So moving into this new house, I had a whole bunch of decor that did not fit like the vibes I was going for at all. So being the cheap person I am, I just repainted over them. I was about to throw it away. I spent all that money. You think I'm gonna just throw it away? No, wrong. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. The more I looked at it, the more I didn't like it. But I guess that's abstract for you. I don't like. I looked at it and just kept looking at it, and I was like, "Does this look like Scribble Scrabble?" Kind of looks like Scribble Scrabble. But I mean, if someone is out here charging 500 plus for some Scribble Scrabble like this, I mean, shit look good. So. All right, let's get into it. So I started off by painting the canvas completely white. Like I said, this was some old painting that I had, did not fit the color scheme at all. So I just painted over it white. I would definitely suggest looking into my first YouTube video, because in that one I had how to put texture on your painting using spackle. In case your old painting doesn't have that texture already. I had to do several coats. As you can see, there's still blue in it a little, but we learned this already. I'm impatient. So, I mean, if you are dedicated to this, keep going over it several times until all the colors are like painted over. As you can see on the little canvas, I made sure to test out what I was doing. I didn't want to go straight to the actual canvas without practicing. So I just dipped that rag in that black paint and just went with it just to see what it looked like compared to the paintbrush. So what I ended up doing was going majority of it over with the paintbrush. And then later on, you'll see me kind of fill in or add a little texture on the side using the rag. Still alive, but my heart broke. I could be dead by tomorrow. He's got eyes on me. He'll take me soon. He's making room. Always saying I ain't got much to lose. Oh, I got too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. The best part about anything being abstract is that you really can't mess it up. But I definitely had like somewhat of a blueprint. I looked at, one of those posts that I put up on Pinterest, and I kind of followed that pattern. But really, do whatever. That's the whole point of it being abstract. It's to your liking, whatever you like, do it. Whatever you feel, do it. Like, real self-explanatory. So why ain't got time to wait? Get out, I've been down and out for too long. call on you. You were needed. Doing the mic today, and I ain't see ya. I thought of you while I was working. I'm too proud to look for you. I hope you're hurting. Tell me what I got to prove. I was working. I don't mean nothing to you.
And just like that, we're done. As you can see, I really didn't know what I was doing. Like, literally just go off whatever picture you find and go from there. I think I ended up touching up a little thing. Like, I ended up getting white paint and touching up parts that I didn't really like. Nothing's permanent. Just go over it. Yeah, and now you got yourself a brand new picture for however much the paint costs, which I got this from Michael's. And each tube was like no more than $6. You know, this was a fail. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I tried to do a little SWAT suit shit. That shit's so damn hard. Especially when you already got makeup on because you don't want to get that shit wet.
No, not the banging. The banging.